I'm Mehdi Rahimi from Professor Wung Healy Group at the University of Colorado, Denver. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Pokey on Linux. We are going to use Ubuntu here. First, you need to go to the Pokey website to download Pokey. From here, you can choose Downloads and you can click on this link to download the file for Linux. I've already downloaded the file, so I'll skip this step. Next, you need to extract this. You can use extract here, or if you like to use terminal, you can use the unzip command. Like this. The extracting is going to take some time. We also need to install the libraries. So please copy and paste this line into your terminal. This is a short list of libraries that are needed to install and use Pokey. The extraction of the zip file is completed. To run Pokey, we need to navigate to this folder, go into the bin directory, and run this file. You can open a terminal here and type poky.sh. This will run Pokey. It would ask you if you want to create the directory, and then you need to activate the program for licensing. So after reading this, you can go to File, Licensing, and if you are an academic user, you can use the academic license. And that's it. The next time that you run Pokey, it's completely ready to use.